Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We are going to learn about the life of Eminem. This will be a simple and easy to understand biography. Perfect for practicing your English listening. Let's get started. The story of Eminem. Eminem, whose real name is Marshall Bruce Mathers III, was born on October 17, 1972, in St. Joseph. He grew up in a tough environment with many struggles. His father, Marshall Bruce Mathers Jr., left when Eminem was just a baby, and his mother, Debbie Mathers, raised him mostly alone. They moved from place to place a lot, and Eminem often faced poverty. His early life was full of difficulties, but these experiences helped shape the person he would become. From a young age, Eminem had a strong interest in music. He loved listening to hip-hop, and by the time he was 14, he started rapping. He would compete in rap battles in local clubs in Detroit, where he lived for many years. His love for words and rhythm helped him develop his unique style. He used to go by the name M&M, which later became Eminem. At first, Eminem had a tough time breaking into the music industry. Being a white rapper in a mostly African-American world of hip-hop made it harder for him to get noticed. Many people doubted that a white rapper could succeed, but Eminem didn't give up. He kept rapping and working hard to prove himself. In 1996, Eminem released his first album, Infinite. It wasn't very successful, but it showed that he had talent. He kept performing at local rap battles and working hard on his craft. His big break came in 1999 when he released the Slim Shady EP. The EP introduced a new character, Slim Shady, who was a darker, more violent version of Eminem. This new persona grabbed the attention of Dr. Dre, one of the biggest names in hip-hop, who signed him to his label, Aftermath Entertainment. With Dr. Dre's help, Eminem released the Slim Shady LP in 1999. This album made him famous. The song My Name Is became a huge hit and introduced the world to Eminem's bold, funny, and controversial style. The album won Eminem his first Grammy Award for Best Rap Album. He quickly became known as one of the most talented and unique voices in hip-hop. In 2000, Eminem released the Marshall Mathers LP, which became one of his most popular albums. It included songs like Stan, which tells the story of a fan who becomes obsessed with Eminem, and The Real Slim Shady, a song that challenged the music industry and celebrity culture. The Marshall Mathers LP broke records and sold millions of copies. The album's success made Eminem one of the biggest stars in music. However, his success also brought a lot of criticism. Many people didn't like Eminem's lyrics, which were often violent and full of strong language. Some believed that his music promoted bad behavior, while others felt it was just a way for him to express his frustrations. Despite the controversy, Eminem kept making music that was real to him and his fans. In 2002, Eminem starred in the movie 8 Mile, which was inspired by his own life. The movie was a huge success, and Eminem's song, Lose Yourself, which was written for the film, won the Academy Award for Best Original Song. This made Eminem the first rapper to win an Oscar for a song. Lose Yourself became one of his most iconic songs and is still loved by fans worldwide. After 8 Mile, Eminem released The Eminem Show in 2002, which became another big hit. The album included songs like Without Me, which was fun and energetic, and Cleaning Out My Closet, where Eminem rapped about his difficult relationship with his mother. The album showed that Eminem could do both funny and serious music, and it helped him stay at the top of the music world. In 2004, Eminem released Encore, which was successful but received mixed reviews from critics. Despite some ups and downs, Eminem's popularity continued to grow. However, in the following years, Eminem faced personal struggles. He battled drug addiction and went through a difficult time in his life. In 2007, he entered rehab to get help for his addiction to prescription drugs. After a break from music, Eminem returned in 2009 with Relapse, an album that was darker and more serious. He rapped about his struggles with addiction and his recovery. The album had songs like Crack a Bottle and A Beautiful, which became hits. Relapse marked Eminem's comeback, and he began to rebuild his career. In 2010, Eminem released Recovery, an album that showed a more positive and hopeful side of him. The album dealt with his recovery from addiction and his desire to change his life. Songs like Not Afraid and I Love the Way You Lie, featuring Rihanna, became huge hits. Recovery was one of the best-selling albums of the year and earned Eminem several Grammy Awards. Eminem didn't stop there. In 2013, he released the Marshall Mathers LP2, which was a sequel to his 2000 album The Marshall Mathers LP. This album received positive reviews and included songs like O Rap God and The Monster featuring Rihanna. Eminem showed that he still had the ability to create powerful music and stay relevant in the hip-hop world. In 2017, Eminem released Revival, an album that didn't get as much praise as his previous work but still had some popular songs. In 2018, he released Kamikaze, an album that was filled with aggressive lyrics aimed at his critics. Eminem wasn't afraid to speak his mind, and Kamikaze proved that he still had the energy and skill to make music that was bold and exciting. In 2020, Eminem released his 11th studio album, Music to Be Murdered By. The album included songs like A Darkness, which dealt with the issue of gun violence in America, and Godzilla, which became a viral hit. The album showed that Eminem was still experimenting with his music and tackling important issues. Throughout his career, Eminem has faced many challenges, but he has always managed to come out on top. His life story is one of perseverance, talent, and the power of music. Eminem has sold over 220 million records worldwide, making him one of the best-selling artists of all time. He is known for his ability to rhyme fast and creatively, and his lyrics are often praised for their cleverness and depth. Eminem has been a huge influence on hip-hop music and culture. He has inspired countless artists and has shown that you can achieve success, even when the odds are against you. His music has been controversial, but it has also been a source of comfort for many people who can relate to his struggles. Even though Eminem has been in the music industry for over 2 decades, he continues to make music and push the limits of what is possible in hip-hop. His story is a reminder that no matter how difficult life can be, hard work and dedication can lead to great success. Eminem's impact on music and culture will continue to be felt for many years to come. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more stories. Wish you luck.